Happy Mother's Day. We had some very low temperatures to start the day, some very cold conditions, a low of 32 degrees in Omaha, and that one really stands out. That breaks a record from 1878, but all of these are record lows. Tacoma, 30 degrees, 30 also in Little Sioux, and 29 in Norfolk, 28 for the low temperature in West Point and Mapleton. Sioux City had a low of 29 last night, so very cold conditions with that high pressure right overhead keeping the skies clear and the winds calm. That's going to continue to move off to the east and southeast. A couple of clouds as we start our day on Monday, but a more southerly wind direction, and that's really going to pump up those temperatures. We're looking for some pretty genuinely hot conditions as we're going to get into the 80s on Monday and then into the 90s on Tuesday as we have more of a southwesterly wind ahead of this cold front that looks to slice through the area. Not a very strong cold front, but it could spark up a shower or storm or two as we go through the night on Tuesday, an isolated shower or storm. Most of the day on Tuesday is just going to be hot and fairly nice if you've been looking forward to those warm temperatures, as we do expect them to get up into the 90s. For tonight, 42, so not as cold as last night, mostly clear. Definitely want to open the windows, get a breeze going through there. Speaking of breezes, it's going to be quite breezy tomorrow with a wind gusting up to 30 miles per hour out of the south. That'll start to pump up those temperatures into the mid-80s with a lot of sunshine, so a good day to get outside. Here's the 10-day forecast. As you can see, 93 for Tuesday. That looks to be our warmest day of the week. And again, an isolated late shower or storm is possible, but again, most of the day is going to be quite sunny and beautiful. 80 degrees on Wednesday after the cold front, so we don't drop off too much. Another chance of seeing rain next weekend, dropping back to more of those spring-like conditions as we go into next week with upper 60s and lower 70s. But it looks like we will start to warm things up by the middle of next week with a high of 77 on Wednesday.